Good morning, guys, and I welcome you all to the channel here. This is the circular which was released on 18/10/2021. Circular number is mentioned over here, and this circular is all about AWS Young Builders Challenge 2021. So we will see in the detail that what this circular is saying. So it says that CBSE, in collaboration with Amazon Web Service AWS, Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, and Ministry of Education, okay, Innovation Cell, Government of India, they are organizing AWS Young Builder Challenge 2021. And what is the purpose of this? To provide students an opportunity to unleash their creativity. Unleash means to unfold their creativity. Okay, indulge in the project-based learning and win big. Further, it says AWS Young Builder Challenge. This challenge is an initiative to promote and foster, means to develop a scientific temper, computational and design thinking, coding skills in young minds. This collaborative efforts aims to infuse the basic understanding of disruptive technology like artificial intelligence and cloud computing and their impact on the future of the country. So this is the objective of this AWS Young Builder Challenge, in which the government want that the children should come up with their innovative thinking in the field of design, coding, etc. For the purpose, the children from the class 6 to 12 of all CBSE affiliated schools can participate in it. The challenge theme is for 2021 is how can artificial intelligence change the future of the country. Okay, so this is what theme of this AWS program, with sub themes of education, healthcare, agriculture, transportation, and other themes will be the sub themes, means the part of it. Schools can register on the challenge website to participate, and after successful registration, the challenge will have three phases. One is learning phase, building phase, and showcase phase. So what they learn, the students to get exposed to the concept of artificial intelligence (AI) and cloud computing via self-learning modules, building or built. Students to build a project using interactive tools. Showcase. Top projects to be featured in the National Virtual Showcase ceremony. If your project is the best one, then this will get selected for the National Virtual Showcase ceremony. Now, how the awards will be provided? As you can see, the awards and recognition will be provided to top 10 school, top 100 schools, top 3 with maximum participation, top 3 public 5 favorite projects, certificate of participation for CPOCS. Okay, means consolation certificate will most of the students they will get that. Further, it says that for further information about this, you can refer to this website which is given over here. This is here is one link is given which I can show you. This is the link, right? This link one has to go through with this one. All right, www.awsybc2021.in. Okay, this is the website where the schools can go and register themselves. Okay, few more important information. It says that please note that there is no fees. First and the most important thing, right? As mostly the students are concerned about this thing, that what about the fees? So you have to clearly mention no fees. The challenge is open to the students from grade 6 to 12. Any student between one who is in 6 to 12 class can participate in it. What are the process of challenge process? If you look at the first process over here, step 1, school registration. First thing. Okay, authorize teachers from the school to register the school for the event. First of all, a school will get registered for that. Okay, and then verify the registered email address to receive the details on the learn and build phase, and then the school will get a email, okay, on the verified email address. Step 2 is to learn. What it says, share the self-learning modules. Self-learning modules with the students as the part of the learn phase, means while they are making this project and all that, means they will discuss among themselves. So this will be like a learning phase for the student. Step 3 is to build. Encourage students to build the projects and collect all submission from the students. Whatever they have made, that we have to collect it, means this is the responsibility of the school and the teachers to collect that. Evaluate the student submission as per the evaluation rubrics that will be shared. Final submission. Okay, that will submit the students' projects with the project link in the form of an Excel sheet on the challenge website via the submission form. Make sure to highlight the top 2 projects as per your evaluation. Okay, and the school can himself they select the best 2 project out of it, and they can highlight that these 2 projects are the important one from our school side. Step 5 is to showcase. Await the final result. Get a chance to be featured in the National Virtual Showcase ceremony. Okay, for any further queries or the feedback, okay, the schools can contact at this given address. For CBSE, a school can contact at Joint Secretary Department of Skill Education at rpsing.cbse@cbsesiksha.in. This is the email address they have given. And for AWS partners, means the other partners of the CBSE schools, they can write to at support@awsybc2021.in. Okay, if you require the school requires any more information. Okay, all right guys, thank you very much for being with us and have a nice day. Bye bye.